What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest gadgets and offers on the market today. I'll be doing tons of giveaways and prizes for my subscribers on this channel, so be sure to hit up that notification bell to stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Akaso Brave 4 4K action camera. This camera comes with a ton of features at a crazy low price. You can pick it up right now on Amazon for around 80 bucks, which is super cheap compared to most of its competitors. I'll leave a link for that in the description below. Also, be sure to stick around until the end of this video to learn how you can win one of these cameras for free. I bought this camera to shoot some time-lapse videos on my newest channel, the Time Lab, which I'll also leave a link for that in the description below for any of you who are interested in time-lapse and stop-motion photography. But for now, let's get back to the topic at hand. The Akaso 4 features Ultra HD 4K at 24 frames per second and 2K at 30 frames per second, which allows it to take crystal clear photos and videos. It also comes with a waterproof case to allow you to film up to 90 feet underwater, which is great for snorkelers, divers, and people who want to film water sports like surfing and skiing. It also has image stabilization and anti-shaking built right in to help make those videos even more epic. With thousands of positive reviews on Amazon, I figured it was worth a try. Let's open it up and see what all comes in the box. Alright, so let's take it out of the box. Pops right out of there. You have the camera. You have the remote control watch. Little camera controller. Let's see what we've actually got in here. So in the box, looks like we've got, you can see that, we've got a bunch of accessories for the camera. Some little cable wires. So these are just these just help make it easier to connect it to whatever you need, like your bike or your helmet. So it comes with tons of accessories, some cables. Oh, this is the USB to micro USB cable, which you'll need to pull your data off and actually charge the camera, so that's important. We've got a battery here. Let's see, another little adapter accessory. Let's see here, we've got some little cards. These must be like the, let's see, quick reference guide. Okay, we've got some more accessories in the box. Tons of accessories, it looks like. A little silica pack. Empty bag. Not sure why that's in there. Let's see what else we've got. More accessories. So it comes with a bunch of accessories, you guys. Some straps. Those can come in handy. What else have we got in here? Oh, a little adapter for the waterproof case. So this one is actually not waterproof because it's got these little slits in here, which is fine. It's got a waterproof one as well. Let's see. Oh, the waterproof one's actually already on the camera, so you can see that case there. And this back swaps out. I guess this one allows audio to come through because of those little slits. To know that the case that's actually on the camera when it's waterproof doesn't really allow audio to come through, so that might be what this is for. Let's see here. Some more batteries. Oh yeah, that's the battery charger. So charger, actual batteries, and the cable for the charger. We'll have to get that set up to charge here in a second. Let's go ahead and open up the camera here with your thumb and pull it down, and it will snap that little base right out of there. Alright, so there's actual camera and a little controller here, remote control. Alright, so as you can see, I got it out of the display case, and it's just in its waterproof case now. I'm going to set it down here and put up a bunch of these accessories and get them out of the way. I don't need these right now, but we'll need them later, so we can set them over here. That we'll keep the batteries and chargers. We'll keep this set over here for now. Our little watch and then the camera. So yeah, this is the charger. Alright, so the battery chargers, they just snap right in there. We'll get these both charging. That one snapped in there. And we'll just get that plugged up. We'll get those charging here in a minute. But for right now, let's just go ahead and check out the camera. So this little case it comes in is really nice. I like this waterproof case. It's got the buttons to allow you to continue to operate the camera even while in the case. Alright, it's got a little LCD display here on the front. Let's take it out of this for a minute. Let's actually check out the camera. It's got a nice waterproof seal here along the edge. The camera just pops right out just like that. So yeah, my first impression of the camera is that it's actually a pretty good quality for the price. I was expecting it to feel pretty cheap, but no, this one feels like it's actually designed to last for a while. I think it'll be a perfect addition to my growing camera collection, especially for the time lapses that I plan to do with it. The camera actually does require a micro SD card. I just picked one up on Amazon, the SanDisk. Let's see, this one is a 64 gigabyte. It was about 12 or 13 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave a link for that in the description below. But yeah, it does require a micro SD card. We do need to go ahead and get that formatted, so let's go ahead and do that now, because we have to format the card in the camera for it to actually work, which is really simple. I'll go over how to do that right now. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and install the battery into the camera. And to do that, you just find the little battery slot here on the bottom. You'll put your fingernail here in this top little slot here and click it down. Just pull it right off of there, just like that. Okay, and you'll take your battery and you'll line up the little charging port here with a charging port on the inside and just snap it right in there just like that. And then put the back on. Let that snap in there. Now we can go ahead and install the SD card. So just get your SD card. And it goes in here just like this. So front to there, just slide it in there. Oh wait, no, it goes, never mind, it goes just like this. Just like that. And you might have to use your fingernail to get it to snap in there, but you snap it in there with your fingernail till it stays. And now we can go ahead and pull off the back here, this plastic, so we can check out the actual screen. And then we'll go ahead, and the power button's located here on the front. So to turn it on, just hold that power button until you see the little camera come on. Alright. It says card error, please format the card. So that's what we're going to do now. So we've got the card in there. We're going to click OK on the top. Then we're going to click the power button on the front, which is also the mode button. So click that. Alright. No file. Alright, so you actually click the mode button, it looks like 3 or 4 times until you you pop up with the menu here. Alright, and now we're going to use these buttons here on the side, the up and down buttons, to navigate through the menu. And what we're looking for is the button that says format. So we're going to keep going through until we see format. It's going to be near the bottom. Let's see here, so keep going. These are all the settings here. Alright, keep going until you see format. There it is, format. And to select it, you're going to click the OK button here on the top. That's the select button. So click OK. That's going to bring you into the format. It pops up and it says SD card. Let me see if I can focus in on that for you guys. Let's see here. Alright, I don't know if you can see that any better, but yeah, it says SD card, so click OK again. It's going to ask all data will be deleted. And there's no data on the card yet, so that's fine. We're going to go down to OK and select it. It says please wait. Alright, so now our card should be completely ready to go. We're going to click the mode button again on the front. Alright, there we go. So the camera is actually ready. As you can see, it's showing everything here on the front. So yeah, we've got it formatted here. Let's go ahead and click the mode button again until we bring back the settings menu. Alright, so now I've got the settings menu open again, and let's go ahead and look through these settings and see what options we've got here. We'll go ahead and change a few settings. So the resolution, okay, we'll go ahead and put that at, let's see, yeah, 1080 at 60 frames per second. We'll go ahead and actually change it to 4K. Click OK. Alright, loop recording, we're not going to mess with that setting just now. Gyroscope, WDR, time-lapse, this is going to be like the recording that I use for my new channel the most. Motion detection. Record audio, let's see here. Okay, record audio is on. Date stamp, I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. I don't want the date stamp on there. Let's go ahead and keep going. Angle, let's see what angle it's set up. So you can do 70 degrees, 110, 140, and 170 degree angle. I'm going to change that to 110 degree angle for now. Diving mode, this is for underwater mode. Special effects, you can set a self timer. Image size, burst images, quality, let's see what the quality is set to. Normal, fine, or economy. I'm going to leave that on normal. Sharpness, white balance, color, ISO, exposure value, anti-shaking, protect Wi-Fi, date and time, auto power off. Let's check that setting. So I'm actually going to turn this off for now. I don't want any auto off on this camera, so I'm going to turn that off. Beep sound, I'll leave that on for now. Voice prompt, OSD. So we've got a bunch here: language, screen save, frequency, format, default setting, and version. So we're good to go now. We're going to go back to the screen here. So we've got the camera all set up. We can go, now we're going to go ahead and go down to my local park. We're going to test it out and see what kind of footage we can get on this camera, what kind of quality, and yep, let's go see exactly what we can get. Alright, so as you can see, the Akaso Brave 4 takes some incredible still images and videos, and for the price, I'd say it's an awesome choice for your next action camera. And for those of you who stuck around to the end of this video to learn how you can win one of these for yourself, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below letting me know what gadget you'd like me to review in one of my next videos. And it's that easy. As soon as I get 1,000 likes on this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose a random winner, and I'll message that winner directly via YouTube to get your shipping information. But yeah, it's that easy. And until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon with the next awesome gadget and giveaway, so stay tuned.